Yeah, Brewed Caffeine, I am muted. That was a test. See, I wanted to make sure that you were paying attention, and you are. You passed the test. Thank you. See, it's a thing. The number one thing that you could do on the internet to get comments, responses, engagement is screw up, get muted, or potentially even make a typo somewhere, and then people will pay attention. They'll respond. They'll say, "Hey, this is you screwed up." Everyone loves to say when you screw up. And I felt screwed up today. Man, it's only been like maybe an hour since I've started to feel normal again. Oh my gosh. I woke up with a headache, stomach ache, took dang near everything, slept, finally felt well enough at about 2 in the afternoon, taking some medication. Dayquil was all I really had for acetaminophen. Was able to get out to get more extra strength stuff. Got my Whopper for Whopper Wednesday, $4 Impossible Whopper. And did a few errands, and literally just sat down at this desk maybe an hour ago. Normally I'd be here all day doing things, so I'm slowly but surely kind of getting back up to speed with everything. If you tuned into the event this weekend, the virtual event, that's awesome. I've got a few things that I want to be able to promote, things that people had created during the course of the event, which was rather, again, awesome to see. If I can get into where I need to get into, because I got to be careful not to violate, anybody's privacy. Let's see here. We've got good feedback. Let's see if I can open up. No, it's going to do that. This is one that was vibe coded, and I like this one. And I believe this is the recipient of the 3D printer right here. Yeah. And I got to be careful because names, handles, etc., privacy reasons. I just have to be very careful. The word for that event this weekend, the virtual event, was specifically thanks. And so people had to vibe code something around thanks. You don't get any chocolates. I did get you, but you got me too. Hey, Pixel. Good to see you. And hopefully I'm streaming everywhere, as is the customary. And this game was kind of fun, kind of a Pong kind of game. Although I couldn't, wait, hang on, is it WS? There we go. So I'm bouncing back thanks. Arigato to you. No, thank you. So you're just thanking each other back and forth. It's pretty unique. Everyone's a winner when you're thankful. So this was a good way of, I feel embodying thanks, with Thanksgiving coming up now that we're past Halloween. Now, if you didn't tune into the live event, you should watch it because we had a PM from the Google Jules team give a demonstration of what Jules is and kind of what's coming down the pike with Jules, which I kind of think was somewhat exclusive. I'm not sure if any of those details that he shared were available anywhere else, but if you tuned in for that, that was awesome. So that was one of the things that was vibe coded there. Another thing that was vibe coded for thank you. This is a developer appreciation. These URLs are public, by the way, because I made sure that they knew. So you sign in with GitHub, recognize the developers who write great code, fix bugs, and ship features. So effectively, you can thank a dev. Now, I'm not currently logged into GitHub. After I reinstall, let me log into GitHub. After I quote unquote downgraded or upgraded with back to Catalina. No, what? Sequoia. I upgraded back to Sequoia from Tahoe. Tahoe is an absolute mess. And so I've been slowly but surely getting back up to speed. That's a completely different story. Okay, I'm logged in now, theoretically. What? No, okay, hang on. Let me make sure. I did sign in. There we go. Okay, so you gotta, this is Matheson's. We're gonna authorize. So it's very easy. Matheson is trusted. There we go. Now, I'll go back and send thanks. Choose a developer. I'm going to thank Ikafar, repository URL. Well, let's use this one. Wait, his GitHub URL. I need his GitHub URL. So I'm going to go to Ikafar, GitHub, Ikafar 2012. Yeah, is that it? 2012. There we go. but I need an actual repository. He's got 111 repositories. Again, I got to be careful that what I'm sharing here. Let's thank him for public IP.me, just your public IP address. Oh, that's interesting. Remote backup add-on. He's got a lot of cool stuff here. Command line implementation. He does a lot of Home Assistant things. Oh, interesting. I can go down the rabbit hole with like everything that's on GitHub. Discord AI tools. Okay. It's empty. No, I was like, okay, let me look here. And it was empty. Let's just go SMTP bound. There we go. Okay, we're gonna thank him for this. I'm gonna close thank you Pong. Nope. Go back to his app and send thanks. No, I'll send a thanks to Pixels too. Repository URL. Good job. Mention specific code features or technical contributions. Send thanks. Now back. And so now, theoretically, look at that. It's like a public thanks board. Okay, that's kind of cool, Matheson. That's pretty wild. I'm very, very impressed with that. Like, incredibly impressed. Okay, that was fun. We've got a Gemini app, the 8-bit gratitude journey, pixel by pixel, daily dose of thankfulness. Gratitude turns what we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos into order, confusion into clarity. Melody beat. And then you could share this stop. So the pixel quote to the background. So it's kind of thanks. You're giving thanks, you're being grateful, gratitude, etc. Very unique vibe-coded app there. And it is on Gemini, so you can remix it. Go to the next one. Again, I'm still kind of getting back up to speed from being a little sick. This Gemini is the app itself. Google Apps script to automatically find a Google Calendar event and send a thank you email to all attendees who accepted. Fascinating. And this was vibe coded to be run as specifically a Google Apps script. That's something I have not really done a lot of, honestly. And as much as I use Google's, apps, like many of y'all do, I haven't gotten into the scripting stuff nearly as much as I could have or should have. You did just miss yourself, but that's okay. I'll pull you up again here. Let's go. Oops. Where the heck is that? Nope, there we go. I've got two browsers running here. Not more than one, unfortunately. This is the developer appreciation. Look at that. I used it. I thanked you. I thanked a dev. It works. Your app works to thank a dev, Matheson. Good job. Good job. Excellent job. Excellent work, buddy. All right, so that is the Google Apps script. I flip back. There's a new one, GitHub. A GitHub from Hyde AU. Thank you, programmers. A GitHub bot to thank contributors can really boost community morale and encourage more engagement. Outline the key components, suggest technology. So you basically copied and pasted the bot, what you could do to make the bot, as well as the code for it, a Python script, and how you could set up your own thank you bot. This is unique. See, these are things that all came out of that event. Everything came out of that event that we did this weekend. And then, of course, someone did receive or will be receiving the 3D printer. This is an app. The next submission that was made. Thanksgiving Blitz. Left. Fire. Right. I need to... There we go. There we go. It's a Space Invaders Acorn. There we go. I cleared one stage. This is great. I love web games. Love web app games. Because, there's nothing to install. Very simple, straightforward. You do your thing and then it's done. Fun. And I feel thankful. I'm thankful that this app was vibe coded. Let's see if it stomps. It did stomp me. Okay. I had a feeling it would stomp me. Back then, the next one that was vibe coded is, and it looks like, again, this was like just a generic building a Discord thankometer bot. So giving the instructions, but not actually doing it. Complete production ready implementation of the thankometer bot. So you get all the code. So nothing to necessarily test. But these will all be linked in the next newsletter that goes out. Oh my God, this is comprehensive. Oh, wow. This is insanely comprehensive. Oh my God, this is great. Look at that. The whole thing. So you can continue the chat when you get the link in the newsletter. All these links will be shared. Don't worry about, where do I get this? Where do I get that? I got you. I got you. The next thing that was vibe coded at the event was this one. The I don't know. I couldn't necessarily figure this one out. Oh, it's like a, it's like a Kix clone. It looks like I got an error. This was started, and I think I'm doing it right. Oh, okay. I think I'm doing it right. The gratitude heart. So you got to collect gratitude on this video game. Okay. Well, there's a little video game. Love it. Tech Jeeper did the gratitude garden. Love Tech Jeeper's work. And he, you know, I want to get Tech Jeeper on to kind of do a tutorial of sorts. Hey, Developer Bunny, good to see you. Oh, did you try that Google Apps script? Or wait, you mean you're talking about the actual service, the Google Apps scripts, player, thing, utility to use. Let's see here. We've got, let's see here. Okay, what are you grateful for today? My daughter. Plant seeds. Gratitude entry saved. Okay. Drag to plant my daughter. That sounds weird. What am I grateful for today? My girlfriend. Oh, what's interesting is that the thing kind of dimmed out. Unlocked items. Your friend. Oh, so I can copy the code and visit someone else's garden. Oh, this is fantastic. Look at this. Okay, this is really cool. So he built a garden where you basically sow, you know, you sow gratitude, and then you can copy. This is my friend code. I can copy and send it to you, and you can visit my garden, and you can plant your own gratitude. So this says, you know, my seed planted one time, click to water and seed gratitude. Okay, so click and hold. No, it's not. I can't. If I click and hold, it disappears on me. No, I want to get in. I want to get in there. Oh man, it's not gonna happen. Okay, well that's an amazing start. That's fun. I love apps like that. Come on, that's just fun. Is that not fun? All right, hang on just a second. I'm gonna do something else here. Pull in this as a preview as well as Pixel. Hey, how you doing? Oh, my face! Ah! What happened to my face? My face is gone. Okay, it's back. It was cut.
Yeah,
off.
I remember him working on that during the
Vibathon.
The Vibathon, yeah.
Yeah, he did a good job. I've got a couple of bits of feedback, but I'd like to see this kind of like. Actually, I've got some feedback for him, and I want to see this launched. This could easily be a product. Well, service, a product, things that people use. You know,
right.
You know, that kind of thing. Maybe not something that gets funded, but you know, something that is something that people engage with. There were a couple of others, some that did not get submitted to in the feedback of the survey, but your jar is empty. Okay, so I'll say I'm grateful for Pixels. You Pixels, there we go. I'm going to add you to the jar. I can download, share, WhatsApp it, SMS. Oh, look at that. So I've got grace notes, fill your gratitude jar, share beautiful cards. I wonder what happens. Daughter. Okay, can I? Oh, wait, the second one didn't get added. Hello? Hello? No, that didn't get added. Oh, there we go. So I hit refresh, and then it works. I'm grateful for Chrome. No, I can't. As soon as I hit refresh, then it goes in, but I can't actually share that note. Oh, there we go. Download. What does download do? Okay, download basically creates a graphic that you can download and share. Oh, that's fascinating. Dude, and that's just like tip of the iceberg of what was done at the event, at least the things that were submitted. And that's about 11? No, about 10. Those are 10 different apps. Some of others that I've got to pull in that weren't submitted with the survey that I got to get into the newsletter when it gets stacked. I haven't had a lot of time to vibe code in producing the event, of course, but I wanted to showcase at least in video. And so far I haven't even uploaded the other things that I wanted to get uploaded that I didn't have a chance to, like that the porcelain bowls. I still haven't seen whether or not you can actually hear the porcelain bowls clang.
Right,
And
right.
I had it working locally, and I have a feeling when I upload it to the web, it will be fine. But yeah. Either way, that was that. The one thing I thought about doing, create. Are you familiar with bookmarklets? Create a book. Okay, JavaScript bookmarklet that, when clicked, places an array of blinking Christmas lights around the perimeter of the current web page the user is visiting, complete with green string, multi-colored bulbs, no two colors, 6 different colors, no two colors next to each other, no two same colors next to each other, blinking intermittently. Okay, so we're gonna try building a bookmarklet, and you basically take JavaScript and you paste it into the browser, the address bar. They call them bookmarklets way back in the frickin' day. And if you know what, I have a feeling this is going to be a Google Chrome extension. I want to build a Google Chrome extension that does the Christmas lights. This is going to be my next vibe coding experiment. Christmas lights thing. Going to go for it.
That was good.
Is that your thank you?
This is my no. I didn't submit anything. I didn't actually finish this either.
Oh, okay.
But essentially, what it does is every time you hit thank you, it comes up with a new animation.
Oh, neat. Oh, look at that. I love it. The science.
Yeah. So there's only 3 of them so far, but yeah, I didn't really spend too much time on it.
That's okay. You know, the whole idea is behind what I wanted to do is just get people started. Get them doing something simple. Get them inspired. Show how easy it is. Get the ball rolling. Get that creative juices flowing. You know, it's nothing, terribly complex. It's just a creative exercise. Okay, I've got my bookmarklet. Inject CSS.
I also want to let everybody know that there is a supermoon outside tonight.
Oh, wow.
And that essentially, if one doesn't know what that is, basically it is the point in which the moon is the closest to the Earth and is also a full moon.
Oh, nice. Okay, here we go. We're going to try it. I got to copy this in. Oh, it's not going to let me do it. Okay. Dang it. Copy. Let's see if it works. Ah, dang it. Come on. No, it did not work. Okay, so Google. No, it didn't do that. Create a new bookmark. Okay, so I'm going to create a new bookmark here in my browser. Bookmarks. Other bookmark. How do I create a new bookmark? Right click your bookmarks bar. How do I open my bookmarks bar? I don't have it open. There we go. Paste. That didn't work. Add a page, add folder, bookmarks manager. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it did work. Okay. Edit. Name. Lights. There we go. But it should work. It didn't work. Copy the entire block below. Either copying the block didn't work or the bookmarklet didn't work. Could you give it to me another way? Oh, you're drinking Monster? Okay. You drink Monster, Pixels. Speaking of liquid, I'm going to go grab something to drink too.
It's very bad for you. Don't drink it.
No, I know. I don't drink that. No. No, this is club soda. Okay. Drag this link up to
That's
your
not
bookmark.
as bad.
There we go. Well, that didn't work. Huh. Well, now go to google.com. Christmas light. Oh, look at that! It freaking worked! Look at that! It worked!
I think I do remember those. I didn't know
It
what they were called.
worked! It worked! Oh my god! This is amazing! I made a bookmarklet. Oh my god! Oh wow!
Yeah, I didn't know what they were called.
Yeah, I used to love these things way back in the day. Drag this link up to your bookmarks bar. Oh my god. This is so freaking cool. And they look at that. It's just very simple. Oh man. Okay, I need to iterate. Great. But the bulbs on the side should be in another orientation. Lengthwise. Since the top bottom bulbs extend long ways, so should the side bulbs. Also, let's see here. I don't know if I can. So that's the one thing I see. Could the green string be thinner and more string like random, not uniform. Random, not uniform. Real Christmas string. Hey Vince, how you doing? I'm just I'm vibe coding. I vibe coded. This is great. Look at this. I vibe coded Christmas lights that you can bookmark it on any web page. Oh my god! I made my first bookmarklet. This is the fun of it. You know what? I kind of want one of the themes to be bookmarklets for the next event, because these are so much fun. Things that you can do on web pages just by dragging into the bar, you know. Oh wow! Oh, this is insane. This is insanely cool. Okay, we're iterating. I was not expecting to come up with something nearly as cool as this. Genuinely, I thought, what can I do? You know, it's kind of Christmas time. I'm 3D printing a Grinch right now.
Oh, is that one that we saw earlier?
Yeah, that's what I've been doing. I also finished Ray. Ray is done now.
Oh, nice, nice.
I did.
Looks good.
I'll be putting more of her together, of course. But I've got to get her staff here. Where's her staff? I've got another one of her. My hands are covered in glue. There's her staff. I did one with a what's the word I'm looking for? Her hat, her glasses. That's what I'm printing right now. So I'm going to have several of her with just her hair, her buns. So that's what I'm saying. These figures I just love making. I just love making Star Wars figures. Love. Okay. Great eye for detail. String now thinner. Look more like a wire. Bulbs on the left. Right string's now oriented horizontally. Oh, left and right. Okay, a truly random string. Okay, here we go. I'm going to drag it here. Go over here. There we go. That looks a little better. Yeah, I think that looks a little better. All right. I've got my bookmarklet. If anyone wants the bookmarklet, here it is. You can copy it. Oh, man. This is too much fun. Oh, man. I got to get this into Discord. Wait. Wait, did the event go off? Monday, November. No, it's going on right now. That's ZNZ. That's wrong server. One event tomorrow. Oh my God. It's Wednesday, isn't it?
It is. Yeah.
I went early, didn't I?
You did. It's fine.
It's been such a... Well, I went early this week. What do you want? Wow, look
Things
at that.
happen, you know?
I'm sorry I went early this week. Let me make sure the event's still set tomorrow for 5. Tomorrow, no. Hang on. Edit event, all events in the series. Oh my God, I can't believe this. Weekly on Thursday. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I updated that, but I am gonna put the AI media makes. No, I gotta put new vibe codings. There we go. Oh, that didn't. Why didn't that not? Let's do this. Share. Wait, no. Share. And copied. Christmas lights bookmark. What? There we go. I'm putting this in Discord. There you go. You can get it. You can get the code if you want before it goes public, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if the user can necessarily configure. Is it possible within a bookmarklet for the user to configure various settings? Like, for example, number of bulbs, pulsating animation factors, color of bulbs, mono, white versus color versus single color. I'm kind of curious now. The next thing I've got tonight, I've got a meeting here, but in checking the bookmark, first install a small settings panel. Okay, let's try that then. No, that didn't work. Huh. Investigating failure. I didn't see the div pop up. You got to get your 3D.
They were, sorry.
I said you got to get your 3D printer up and running.
Yeah, I know, right? It's in my closet right over there.
3D printers, I should say.
Well, I'm not going to get all of mine up because
No.
the other ones are resin printers, and I don't feel like dealing with that right now.
Yeah, I would not either. What did you say?
I dealt with that for a long time, and I really like it, but at the same time, it makes a hell of a mess.
Yes, it does, and plus the chemical.
Yeah, that too.
Oh, there's the super. Is it a big moon? Is that the deal with the?
Yeah, like the biggest moon that we can have. It's a big moon, and it's also, the full moon. It's the biggest moon that
Right. Okay, so that's...
I went outside to look at it already.
Wait. Google. Okay. Ooh, that did not work. Okay, we're trying this again. Oops. I'm going to keep working on this bookmarklet here. I'm going to spend way too much time doing something wildly inconsequential. No div. Go. Love you, multimodal. It should be. The Gemini link. It's public. I'm able to do it. Look at the latest one, Matheson. Try it again. You're watching a vibe coding-a-thon show, and I'm vibe coding some Christmas lights bookmarklets.
So I heard that Google might be releasing Nano Banana 2 soon.
Oh, nice. And hopefully 3.0 soon.
Yeah, that one too. Should be either this month or next month.
Wait a minute. Is it still making it? Oh, it's still making it. Delete. Delete. Delete.
The best thing that I'm hoping for Gemini 3.0 is basically just a better understanding of, and that could just be our fault as well, but a better understanding of what we want to happen.
Yeah. Oh. Dang it.
But I figured, you know, what he was talking about with Jules, they would want to implement that into Gemini directly. And they might do that at some point.
I'd imagine they're going to emphasize more than anything because games are fun and easy and translatable. Everyone loves games. They're easy to make.
I didn't get that full comment, but I got the HD sprites.
Yeah, basically. Come on. This is what happens when you try to change things to make it better. You wind up screwing everything up. But that's vibe coding in a nutshell. What would the point be if everything worked first time out? Huh? Huh? I ask you.
You'd
Wait,
have
what do you
things that
work-
worked.
Yeah. What are you working on? Can't see your screen.
I am working on it's a little game kind of similar to my tank game, only this is just on a grass field.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
Yeah.
I'll load it up for you.
Yeah. It's good to see screens as well as faces. Whoop. Ah. As I'm waiting to, here we go. I see you're showing a screenshot. Definitely not a button. Okay, so it's doing everything all over again. No. No, still showing code, not the code under. Oh, Gemini. Maybe 3 will be better. For this kind of stuff, man, oh, game over. That's the way I look at it.
Oh yeah.
It just makes it, that much easier for anybody to kind of get started.
Sure, yeah. But yeah, you see how this is kind of like similar to the other one.
Yeah, I remember.
And this one actually does have sound, but I'm still trying to figure out a good way to pipe the sound through, because if I put it on browser sound, your audio is going to be piped directly through with the game audio, if that makes sense, since you're in the browser. Since StreamYard is in the browser.
Add page. Lights.
And we definitely don't want that to happen.
This didn't work. All right, there's that. Either the code is wrong or something else. I tell it, even with Jules, it was like it was ignoring the links I sent it. Yeah, GPT has yet to impress me, and I've tried it again and again and again. But in terms of what I do, I guess, it doesn't really work for my needs. I even tried Codex, too. Another ray. Another ray on her way.
So this is the what I'm about to send you on Discord is the prompt that I used for the
Well,
Brother
feel
of Us
free
in the
to.
Bar.
I would say feel free to put it on the public Discord in the new Vibe Codings channel,
Okay.
because then everybody's going to be able to copy it out if it's a public URL. Troubleshooting. That's kind of half the fun. Debugging. Fun. I use that word very, 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 very loosely. There we go. Copy. Edit. Paste. Save. Nope.
But see, this is the kind of thing I like with AI Studio is that, like I was telling you before, it gives you like suggestions on what you might want to add to the game. So like add enemy variety, implement boss battles, add upgrade system, and so forth.
I did one of those tanks, the battle tanks. I had to remove the PP. It was too complex. I think there was one other app that you did, the zombie one. Remember the zombie one that you did? That's one I don't think I ever got around to implementing. I still have the code somewhere. I copied the code just in case, I copy a lot of code, but
Gotcha. Yeah.
Oh, content security policy. Okay. Yeah. There we go.
That pesky thing.
Yeah. Damn you, security. No.
See, because that's the kind of thing that I want in Gemini, like natively. And I know they were saying, they want it, they're doing it in Jules or whatever, but like I want that in just Gemini, just to go and like notice something like that and just try to fix it.
Yeah. No doubt.
If there's another way you can get around that, or whatever,
there's got to be a way.
Figure it
I
out.
can't imagine we're the only ones running into the problem. Because it was working. Like I was doing what I needed to do. You saw it work. You've seen it work.
Yeah.
And then suddenly just decided, nope, not going to work anymore. I'm like, there's something that tripped it. I don't know what though.
Well, I wonder if there's a way in which you can go into the code, figure out what it used in relation to get around that problem, and then just ask it to keep doing that.
Yeah. And then that's where it kind of gets into the point of tediousness. Like, oh my god, I got to do this every single freaking time.
Sure, but that's where your memories come in.
Yeah, memory, yeah.
Which I'm guessing you still haven't really messed with.
Not really. I'm afraid of doing a memory and then forgetting I did the memory, and then it's like, why is this not working? Oh yeah, the memory, I forgot. I'm just trying to revert this back to somewhat of a usable state again. If not, I've got the stump that I created.
Right.
I got the the thing that I created and shared publicly, so I can always go back to that.
This also seems to keep those in memory, your past versions, in AI Studio.
Oh, nice. Oh, no, Jesus. Okay, F this. I'm going back. I'm reverting. Killing that. Copying that. The lights. Oh. Delete that. Yeah, it's good enough. For what it is, it's good enough.
But see, like right now, it's analyzing those errors, and it's just trying to fix it.
On your end?
Yeah.
This is only 31 lines of text, of code, dude. The Christmas lights.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I'm going to get fancy. I'm telling it to put the lights on the page to install the lights. Okay, another ray done. Ha! I see what you did there. Well, let's see here. 1, drag this button up to your bookmarks bar. That's it. Okay, there we go. I can edit the rest in text. Damn, I'm having too much fun. There we go. It's okay. So now I think I have to tell it to be a little more specific. It's drag this green button not drag this link. This is the easiest way. Should be place Christmas lights around the perimeter of any, around the edge of any web page you visit. Say hang Christmas lights around the edge of any web page you visit. Hang temporary Christmas lights around the edge of any web page you visit. Seeing how that reads. You know, sometimes you get in your head, oh, this is easy, but then you got to be able to explain it to someone who's visiting, going, well, what is this? What do I do with it? You know?
Right.
There we go. Drag this green button up to your bookmarks bar. Sell Christmas lights. Hang temporary Christmas.
Oh, shit. The hell does this thing make? Made a boss for me.
Oh, whoa, really?
Shit, this thing's gonna kill me. And it did kill me.
Christmas lights. And on one line may have to shrink the font size, change the font color to stable. Then should be, that's it. When you're ready, now click that new bookmark. Click that new bookmark you made on any page to see.
Oh shit. You made another new boss for me. I guess every time I pass a level now, yeah. Gives me a new boss.
That's it. Now click the new. That's it. Click that new bookmark. Click your new click your new click your new bookmark when you want to see Christmas lights. Hang Christmas lights.
Oh, that's cool. This one sends out like a variety of enemies at me.
That's it. Click your new bookmark when you want to hang Christmas lights. There we go. Streamlining. Because that's what I do.
Yeah, so what did you think about in Google Jules? He was talking about how the AI is going to be able to essentially play your game for you,
Yeah, it's crazy. That's great QA and testing, though.
right? I could imagine a point in time where they make a massive game, a massive AAA game, and then just have AI agents all over it, just
Do it?
testing for bugs
Yeah.
and shit.
I could totally see that too. Well, I'm a day early. I was not expecting to do this, and I just got thrown off. I'm like, oh, I better get back home because I've got a meeting for the Maker Deck event for February at 7:30 tonight. That I definitely have to tune in for. But this is what happens when I feel sick and then get discombobulated. Drag this green button up to your bookmarks bar. That's it. Now I've got to edit that a bit too. What else could I do? Can I word?
Yeah, this video I was just watching about all the new stuff that's going to come out for Gemini.
Mm.
I have never watched this person, so I don't know how it's like, how it is, but we will see. I try to keep up on all the news as much as I can.
Click your new bookmark when you want to hang a web page you. All right. What else can I add? That's it. Now click your new bookmark when you want. Tweak, tweak, tweak. Well, thanks for hanging, even ever so impromptuly.
Yeah, no, that's all good. Yeah, I actually just randomly got on and just saw that it was.
Funny, I was just so
doing that,
stupid. I was so stupid.
It's all good.
Okay. Oops. Yeah, I know. I was confused too, Matheson. What else is new? Stupid, stupid Chris. But I had fun!